Ever wondered what makes Spanish cuisine, particularly paella, so uniquely delightful? Well, the secret lies in its time-honored preparation method and the medley of ingredients that go into it. So buckle up as we embark on a gastronomic journey to the heart of Spain, exploring the step-by-step process of making paella. The magic begins with a wide, shallow pan, traditionally called a paellera. First, heat a generous drizzle of olive oil. As the oil shimmers, add diced onion and bell peppers, sautéing them until they're soft and aromatic. These humble ingredients lay the flavor foundation for our paella. Next, it's time to introduce the protein. Add chunks of chicken and slices of chorizo, browning them evenly. This meaty duo infuses the dish with a robust, smoky essence that is quintessential to paella. But wait, there's more. The seafood, a symphony of shrimp, mussels and squid is added next. Watch as they simmer, their flavors melding together with that rest of the ingredients. Now for the star of the show, the rice. Short grain rice is ideal, absorbing all the flavors like a sponge. Stir it in, ensuring every grain is coated with the oil and flavors. Then, sprinkle in the saffron, the gold of Spanish cuisine. Its unique aroma and bright color transform the dish, lifting it to new culinary heights. Finally, pour in a generous amount of stock, cover the pan, and let the ingredients dance together as they simmer. The key here is patience. Resist the temptation to stir. The perfect paella develops a delightful crust at the bottom known as socarrat, a testament to your cooking prowess. To recap the process, start with sautéing onions and bell peppers in olive oil. Add in the chicken and chorizo, followed by the seafood. Stir in the rice, sprinkle in the saffron, and finally, add the stock. Let it simmer without stirring until the rice is perfectly cooked and the socarrat forms. So there you have it, the classic Spanish paella, a dish that celebrates simplicity and harmony of flavors. A masterpiece that bridges the gap between the land and sea, a tribute to the culinary heritage of Spain. Remember, the beauty of paella lies in its versatility. Feel free to explore and add your own twist. After all, the best dishes are those that tell a story. And with each spoonful of paella, you're savoring a bit of Spain's vibrant history and culture. Until next time, keep exploring the world one dish at a time.